friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make tomato garlic chutney. This is a very simple yet delicious side dish that best goes with idlis or dosas. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. For making this, you'll need 2 small sized tomatoes, 1 full garlic and 5 dry red chillies as main ingredients. To begin with, slice the tomato as thin as possible. To a mixie jar, add the sliced tomatoes, 7 to 8 garlic pods, 5 dry red chillies, a small piece of tamarind and half teaspoon of salt. Grind it to a very fine paste. Now your delicious tomato garlic chutney is ready. You can serve it right away. If you feel there is a raw flavor of the tomato and garlic, you can season it. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gingelly oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add a few curry leaves and a pinch of asofietida. Give it a quick mix and add the chutney and mix it well for 1 minute in low flame. Now your delicious spicy tomato garlic chutney is ready. Serve it with nice and hot idlis or dosa and enjoy. Very easy and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.